So in February, we went with the mechanization team from Mexico to deliver a construction and design workshop in Malawi. This was in collaboration with GIZ and the German corporation in Malawi, and was aimed for welders and manufacturers. So here this video gives a couple of highlights of that experience from the perspective of GIZ and of some welders that participated in the course.
So we're here for a really exciting activity at the moment. We're here for our practical welding training. The participants of our activity are participants from the technical and vocational institutions, as well as from private sector and also from government institutions. And we're really excited because in this training we're learning how to manufacture a cassava processing machine. This kind of machine is at the moment not available in Malawi locally manufactured, but only imported machines are available. So our hope from this activity is that we can capacitate actors within Malawi to manufacture this machine, to also maintain the machine, and also by having technical and vocational institutions part of this training, we want to really ensure that the knowledge of how to make this machine is kept in the country and sustainably continued, adapted to the country, and just the activity can be carried on for a long time.
The machine will be very helpful to farmers since currently we don't have machine for processing cassava. So normally farmers traditionally use mud and pestle to process cassava, which is slow. So the coming in of this machine will help to speed up the processing of cassava.
So our expectation for this activity is that we can, with the help of this machine, actually improve the livelihood of the cassava farmers. The cassava is currently processed in Malawi through manual work and is usually processed by women. This work is really labor intensive and hard, and also takes a long time. So we hope that with introducing this machine and being able to manufacture and maintain the machine locally, we can improve these work steps and actually give benefit to those that are processing cassava in Malawi.
Yeah, so this machine is intended to process this raw cassava into cassava cake. This cassava cake is a softer material with a little high moisture content. And one of the functions that this machine is intended to do is to quicken the process of drying the cassava so that it can be easily stored and be ready to be processed into other products like the cassava flour. And this machine is able to do this process with minimal energy consumption and with minimal inputs that we have actually witnessed. And because we have been able to produce these 3 machines in almost like 3 days, there's a possibility that these can be scaled up. And if these are scaled up, provided to the farmers, and it means that farmers may find it easier to process their crop and even then to be able to store it properly in the dried condition.
This cooperation indeed is very helpful to Malawians, and indeed it has come to the right time where farmers will be helped processing this. So the collaboration which is there with Siemens and the GIZ indeed has come in the right time, and it is helpful to Malawians.
And this technology will enhance or will assist also even the farmers to create a number of bags or tons for few hours. So this is actually very, very important to the country of Malawi.
After finalizing this week, we will also have some of the participants manufacture 5 more of the cassava processing machines, and they will then be distributed to 2 of our districts here in Malawi, one being Kota Kota, the other one being Kata Bay. And there they will be distributed to 8 cassava processing or producing farmer groups that will then test and verify the machines. We will do this process of testing and verifying the machines together with the Department of Agricultural Research Services of the Ministry of Agriculture here in Malawi, and they have a unit that assesses, verifies, and certifies machines so that they can then be accepted into the Malawi context.
This was for us a quite interesting experience, learning hands-on how the participants evaluate the exercises and how they see the construction plans and design that we proposed. So very fruitful, and I hope you'll like it as well.